This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the interest rates master data template in the property tax module. Interest is the amount which is calculated on percentage defined and collected from citizen if failed to pay the property tax demand on time. It is also called late payment penalty. Download the data template to configure the interest rates master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 6 data columns. Enter the interest rate percentage. Enter the minimum amount, the flat amount and the maximum amount of interest that can be levied by the state or ULB. Enter the financial year and the start date from which the interest is applicable. Update the information for each column. Columns marked with a star are mandatory. Make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for interest rates detail. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of interest rates details. Thank you.